everyone, today we have Pooja from MCA with us. Hi Pooja, how are you?
Hello ma'am, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good as well, thank you for asking. So tell me something about yourself, Pooja.
Actually, first of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Pooja Dasila. I'm from Almora district of Uttarakhand. I have completed my graduation from SSVGI. Now I'm currently pursuing MCA from this university.
Okay, very well. So from whom you came to know about Infinity PTP classes?
Ma'am, actually there is a special classes actually started from my courses and by our HOD. And these classes are very beneficial for us.
Okay, well that's good to hear. So tell me something about that. What difference do you see in yourself from day one when you started taking the classes till up now, when you know it's quite a long time you have been taking the classes? So what is the difference that you see in yourself?
Actually ma'am, in the starting I was having confidence, but I was not having the platform to represent it among the peoples. Infinity gave me that stage to represent myself and improve my qualities.
Well, very good to hear. So do you feel that Infinity PTP classes have helped you in coming out and overcome your weakness and strength?
Yes ma'am, actually of course it has improved me a lot. First of all, I was having little bit of less courage to represent myself. Now if I have given a chance to speak in the auditorium, then also I can speak in front of them.
Okay, so you means that our course have helped you to deal with your anxiety issues, hesitation, right?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, what about stage fear, public speaking skills?
Ma'am, actually I was first of all at the starting I was having very much stage fear. I was little bit having fear what people would think about me when I will speak, or what if I stop speaking in front of them. But then after attending the GDs and all the personality classes with you and all the personality teachers, it has helped me very lot to improve myself.
So last but not the least, I would like to ask you, what is the message that you want to give about, or what is an overview that you have built up till now about Infinity? What would you like to say to your friends and everyone?
Ma'am, I actually just want to say that you should attend your personality development classes if you want a good job in the cooperative sector, because first impression will be by your personality classes and your communication skills, which will be only developed by these Infinity classes. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Keep shining, keep rising. Thank you for your time.